Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we solved the question first of exercise 2.3. Today we will solve the question number second of exercise 2.3. The question second is that we have to find out that the given two polynomials, which is t square minus 3 and another polynomial is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. We have to find out that the first is the factor of the second polynomial. As we know that if any polynomial is divided by its factor, then the remainder is 0. If we divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial and the remainder comes 0, then we say that the first is the factor of the other. Clear? Now we see that the question first part of exercise 2.3, question second, first part. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. We have to divide by t square minus 3. Here we have to divide by t square minus 3. Here, see that. First of all, we find the higher divisor in divisor. Here, this is 2t power 4. Now we divide by t square. We can get 2t square. T power 4 minus t 2. Power 4 minus 2 is 2. Here, the quotient is 2. We write here 2t square and multiply 2t square to these two terms. 2t power 4, 2 is 6, t square we write here 6, t square minus plus. Take out. This is a single term of power 3, hence we write it here 3t cube. Here plus 6t square minus 2t square. 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 4 t square. Now, we see the higher divisor is 3t square, 3t cube upon t square. Means we get 3t, we write here 3t. When we divide 3t cube with t square, then we get 3t. Hence, here we write 3t and we multiply 3t to these two terms. Here 3t cube minus 3 is 9. T to be write these terms here minus 9t minus 12 to be write here minus 9t minus and plus. This is cancelled out. This is cancelled out. Now we find the terms 4t square minus 12. Here the higher term is t square and here is t square. Means the variable is same and the power is same. Now we make 4 equal to this. Hence we divide 4t square upon t square. T square is 4. Means we write 4 in pattern. Now 4t square minus 4t 12. Now sign change, minus plus cancel out. Here 0 means remainder 0. Hence, we say that the t square minus 3 is the factor of given polynomial. हमें क्या करना है, ये चेक करना था कि फर्स्ट जो पॉलिनोमियल है वो सेकेंड का फैक्टर है कि नहीं. अगर फैक्टर से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे दूसरे को तो रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता तो फैक्टर है, अदरवाइज नहीं. हमने चेक किया, इसको डिवाइड किया प्रोसेसर को. हमने पहले क्या किया, t स्क्वायर माइनस 3 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. हाई डिविजन कितना था, 2t पावर 4 था. मतलब 2t⁴ को t² से डिवाइड करेंगे, हमें इक्वेशन क्या मिला 2t², तो हमें 2t² से इन दीस टू टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, उसको यहाँ राइट कर दिया, साइन चेंज किया। अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या है, 3t³ है हाई डिग्री टर्म, हम अगेन इस टर्म को क्या करेंगे t² से डिवाइड करेंगे, हमें इक्वेशन क्या मिला 3t, हम उसको इक्वेशन में ऐड करेंगे और इस टर्म से हम इन दो जो बोथ टर्म्स हैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ ऐड करेंगे। अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में देखते हैं क्या है, यहाँ पे t² है हाई डिग्री टर्म और t² है, वेरिएबल ऑफ पावर्स की क्या सेम है, कोएफिशिएंट डिफरेंट है, कोएफिशिएंट को सेम में क्या किया इसमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर इसको सॉल्व किया, मेरे रिमाइंडर क्या गया 0 आ गया। इस हमने कंक्लूजन क्या दिया, यह फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल क्या सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है। हम नेक्स्ट चेक करते हैं सेकंड पार्ट इसका। सेकंड पार्ट है, सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल में क्या 3⁴ प्लस 5x³ माइनस 7x² प्लस 2x प्लस 2 है। इसको डिवाइड कैसे करना है, फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल हमारा है x² प्लस 3x प्लस 1। फिर देखिए यहां भी प्रोसेस करेंगे हम, हाई डिविजन में क्या 3⁴ है डिवाइडर में, और डिवीजन में कितना है x² उसको तो डिवाइड करेंगे, 3⁴ अपॉन x² मींस हमें क्या मिलेगा 3x², हम क्वेश्चन में राइट करेंगे 3x²। फिर अब 3x² से हम इसको जितने भी यहां टर्म डिवीजन है सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, 3x² into x², हियर वी राइट 3⁴, 3x² into 3x is 9x³, here we write 9x³, and 3x² into 1 3x², here we write 3x². Now we change the sign, count it out, here minus 9, here plus 5, 9 minus 5 4 means minus 4x³ 7 3 10 minus 4x² plus 2x plus 2. Clear? We divide minus 4x³ by x², we get minus 4x. In next step, the question is minus 4x. Here we write minus 4x. Clear? And now we multiply minus 4x with this minus 4x³ minus 12x² minus 4x, clear? Here plus plus plus, we get cancel out 12 minus 10 2x² plus 6x plus 2. Here we see that the variable and power is same, x power 2 x power 2, but quotient different, hence we divide 2x² upon x², here 2, we write 2 in quotient and we multiply 2 to the divisor and write here 2 1 ja 2 x², 2 3 ja 6x, 2 1 ja 2 2. Clear? Minus 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 cancel out, 0, remainder is 0. Hence the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Now you will solve the third part of this question by yourself. Now we will discuss the question number 3. Here 2 zeros of the polynomial has given and the 2 other zeros we have to find. As we know that if question number 3, if alpha is a zero of a polynomial Px, then x minus alpha will be factor of Px. अगर अल्फा किसी पॉलिनोमियल का क्या जीरोस है तो x माइनस अल्फा क्या उसका फैक्टर होगा, तो यहां पे 2 zeros given out है. Clear? Here Px is given. Px is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Yeah? The two zeros say alpha root 5/3 and beta minus root 5/3. Clear? Now we have to find out the other zeros, gamma and delta. As we know that it is the biquadratic polynomial, hence it has 4 zeros. So we have to find out the other 2 zeros. To find out the other 2 zeros, first of all, we form a quadratic polynomial by the help of these 2 zeros. After that, we divide the biquadratic polynomial and we get in the quotient a quadratic polynomial and we factorize it. After that, we get the other 2 polynomials. First of all, we form the quadratic polynomials with the help of these 2 zeros. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Clear? Now we form x square minus plus into x plus we see that plus into minus minus x square root 5 here minus 5/3 here. This is cancelled out. X square minus 5/3. Clear? This is our quadratic polynomial. Now we divide the given polynomial by this polynomial. Clear? Now we divide this polynomial with this polynomial. X square minus 5/3. Clear? Now we see that in first step, first of all, the higher divisor is 3x power 4, which is divided by x square. We get here 3x square. Clear? Here we write 3x square. We multiply with these two terms, 3x power 4 minus 3x square into 5/3. 3 cancel out 5 square because the sign is here minus, hence the result will be minus. Clear? Now we see that we write here minus 5x square, here minus, here plus, cancel out. Now 6x cube 5 minus 2 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now here we divide 6x cube by x square. Now we get 6x. Here we write 6x. We multiply all these two terms. Here 6x cube. So 6x into minus 5 by 3 to the 6 2 minus 10x. Here we write minus 10x minus and plus. This is cancelled out. Now we find that here 3x square minus 5. We see that x square same. We divide 3x square upon x square cancel 3. Here we write 3 and multiply with these two terms. 3x square 3 into 5 by 3. 3 cancel out. Here minus means minus 5. Minus and plus cancel out. 0 means remainder is 0. Here now the question is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. We factorize it by splitting the middle terms in two parts. Now we see that 3x square plus 6x plus 3. 3 3 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we can write it 3x square plus 3x plus 3. We take 3x common, x plus 3. We take here 3 common. 3x common. When we take 3x common, here yes, here 1. Here we take 3 common, x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is common in both. X plus 1. Here 3x plus 3. We see that 3 is common in these two terms. Hence we can write 3 x plus 1 and x plus 1. Because x plus 1 is factor, hence minus 1 will be the zeros of the polynomials given. X plus 1 is 0, x equal to minus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Hence we find the other two zeros of the polynomial leaving the given zeros. Alpha root 5 by 3, beta minus root 5 by 3, gamma minus 1 and delta minus 1. These are all the four zeros of the given biquadratic polynomial. Then next question we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.